Exercise does not have to be hard. As a matter of fact, we can keep it simple, which is where a lot of us, particularly as we age, need it to be. And walking is one of the best ways to improve our strength, our endurance, and our heart health. That's what we're going to get in today's 10-minute walking workout. It is designed to improve our heart health and our endurance because we are going to be walking and marching to the beat nonstop, and it's designed to improve our strength because we're going to be using our full body. We're going to be using our arms, our core, our thighs, and our glutes with our own body resistance. So this workout packs a lot of punch in a short segment of time. And you guys, it is easy on our joints. But remember, with any exercise regimen, it is key critical in order to reap the benefits that we stay consistent and also that we eat a nutrient-rich diet, which includes protein. And it definitely helps if we have a motivation coach and a community. So if you want to stay connected, please do remember to press that subscribe button below, give this video a like, give it a share. You guys, without further ado, let's walk together and enjoy your workout. Okay, march it out. And if at any point you can't do any of the moves that I am demonstrating, bring it right back to this march. Just keep it moving. 4, 3, 2, 1. And everything that we're going to do today, you will see up there on the screen. And 4, 3, 2, and back to that march. Four, 3, 2, 1. Kick it out, right and left. Too much for you? Just tap it out. And 4, 3, 2, and back to that march. Bump those arms. Get that energy up there. Increase that heart rate. And 4, 3, 2, left side, front and side, front and side. And when you get this pattern, give me that jab. Jab it out. Jab it out. Yes. And 4, 3, 2, and back to that march. Then take it 4, 3, 2, same thing to the right side, you guys. And front and to the side. Where's that jab? Jab it out. Jab it out. Yes. And 4, 3, 2, 1. March it. And 4, 3, 2. How about some kickbacks? Left and right. Yes. Four, 3, 2, and back to that march. Excellent work, you guys. And 4, 3, 2, and bring those knees up, left and right. Excellent work. And 4, 3, 2, march it out. And this is a full body workout. And that's the beauty of walking at home, you guys. You get so many different moves in. 4, 3, 2, 1. What I was saying was the beauty of walking at home, you get so many different moves in. And 4, 3, 2, 1, so that you engage your full body. You do forward movements, you do side movements, you do back movements. The arms are in play, you guys. And 4, 3, 2, bring me those hips. We're working these hips, we're working these arms, and we're working this core. Yes. And 4, 3, 2, and march it out. And everything that you just did, we're gonna put it on the repeat, you guys. And if you can, bring it this time with more intensity. And take it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Stomp it left and stomp it right. Yes. And 4, 3, 2, march it out. Four, 3, 2, and kick it left and right. Yes. Give me 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. March it. And 4, 3, 2, left leg up. And then to the side with that jab. Yes, you guys. Jab it. Yes. And 4, 3, 2, and march it out. And 4, 3, and take it to the right. Jab it and to the left. Yeah. And 4, 3, 2, excellent work, guys. And take it. 4, 3, 2. How about some kickbacks? Left and right. Yes. Engaging those glutes and those hamstrings. 4, 3, 2, 1. And 4, 3, 2, knees up, up, up. Show me those abs. Up. Give me that crunch, you guys. Make it strong. And 4, 3, 2, excellent. All right. Next song, we're gonna change the pace a little bit. Get some more toning in. All right. And of course, if you need a little breather in between these two segments, press pause, get some water, and take your short break, but join us right back here. Okay. Left and right, lateral kick out. Engage those abdominal muscles for support and stability and protect that spine. And of course, if raising these legs is too much for you, tap it. And march it back out, guys. Like I said at the beginning of this segment, this routine is totally customizable to your fitness level. This time, left only, raise it up. And when you're ready, add in that arm. And you know when we do this, that supporting leg, it's also getting shown some love, you guys. And 4, 3, we're not gonna waste any time. Bring it to the right, yes. Get your balance first. And join in when you can. Give me 4 more. And 4, 3, 2, and march it out. All right, let's get right back into these abs. Twist and crunch. Twist and crunch. Feel that? I know I do. Last one, and march it out. There's so many things that we can do at home, you guys, to improve our overall health and well-being, and walking is one of them. Okay. Lower abs. A slight kick. Right and left. Yes, you guys. Put that hand there as you lift that leg. You feel those abdominal muscles? You're doing that, yes. March it out. Okay, let's do some arm circles. Keep the march, arm circles. Get ready to reverse the rotation. Move it forward, you guys, yeah. And march it to the end. I want to thank you all so very much for being here, just showing up for Fabulous You. All right, you guys. Excellent work.